Nyuma yayo kuringithanwa na UBWITHIA bwa MBOLEO ITIAGIRI na thirikari nirikitie kuinga kambuni ya UBWITHIA bwa ndawa niyo Chemicals Fertilizer Company. Agitariria na gwikira untu bubu weru ne Minister wa Murimi Mithika LINTURI ugite license ya kambuni iu ya gwita nambere na kurita ngugi nandi niitejaniriitwe MWANKA ndiro UCHUNKUNI bukathira. Mwandiki wetu Antoto Boniface Mongera na gutu Antoto ijikinya.
Akoriongera kambuni ya kuthondeka fertilizer chemical company mushina jwa thika muthejo antukwenarwa Minister wa Murimi ajanthirunekere bona Mithika LINTURI na atigiria mingite na gutigi kethire kenderia monko UCHUNKUNI buithike na buthire akebariria andiki banteto Mithika LINTURI no company eji niethiri fertilizer nthuku kune ngiri 3 na kinyethuri citho citomatomwa na nkunia 516 cia gwatekana bando batitho bechokirwa license yao UCHUNKUNI bukethira bukenderia na kwithira kumenyekana NTUMIRI itamekete.
That the government has withdrawn the manufacturing license for KAL chemicals because investigations are going on. The blending plant for the fertilizer is now closed, and this is treated as a crime scene from now henceforth and until the investigations are over.
Dajo jareu najo narungamene karutere kamisa Mithika LINTURI murungamiri munene wa KAL Chemical Company bwana Chanda Branch Murukal na kanokerie na ugabo batithitwe bethondeka fertilizer nthuku kune kurikana ngiri 3 achacha bachanirwe kagita kuthondekwa.
And it is in the operation. People, there are many people, one batch is coming nearly 25 to 30 people. They work together, right? Put in this. Something will fall down, he step like this, then sweep it like this. That might be happen actually.
One batch can take up to 10 to 12,000 bags. And out of that, if you see 3,000 have a defect, then it's a genuine defect and it was not contemplated. It only happened during a period of time. That is from the 5th to the 10th of March.
Andekwa igana 50 kumakira ndiko magana jairi 55 bakambuni ya KAL Chemical Company kumwokoro bwantu kwenarwa ibaronge kingoge ari akendelea konoria kironda chumbe Mithika LINTURI na ugire thirikari okurukira ministry ewe batithiro bakirira ndo leveno la KAL mwankande tweji ithire kinyira muthia.
The only safe thing to do is really to protect our farmers. This thing has cost our farmers a lot of anxiety, the confidence that we have built over a long time through this program.
We are waiting for the report from KEBS and from our private laboratory tests. Once we get that, we compile and see indeed the mistake was on this end, then we will own up and we are willing to compensate the farmers that might have been affected.
Na kuatere company ya KAL Chemical Company nethire mbere kuthiro kia mukira shoka ninyago tunywa license kumakithiro kikyo ne fertilizer nthuku gikwamberia okorerwa company ya SBL Innovate rethire tukithondeka fertilizer kumeka GPZ nirane Gukaria na irero ngino kesu bogirbetu bethondeka fertilizer nthuku nyabo no bendete kuthobeshuthirwa.
Let us concentrate to the issue that we are handling. The issue we are handling is about the KAL fertilizer. I am not aware of any other unless if you have an idea.
Nke reporter Antoshero TV Njuma kumaja kengine ngine kine kimusho Nairobi Mbita Boniface Mongera.